Welcome to this video, where we explore one of the most influential works in the field of logic and rational thinking, The Balance of Thought, authored by the Academy of Rational Philosophy. This book is not just a scientific introduction to logic. It is a practical guide designed to protect the mind from error and misjudgment, and to train us to think in a structured, disciplined way. What is logic? Logic is the discipline that guides the mind toward correct reasoning. The authors compare it to a scale, inar, owo torcer, a tool we use to weigh ideas before accepting or rejecting them. Logic is the protective wall of thought. Just as we protect the body from illness through prevention, we protect the mind from confusion and error through logical thinking. Types of knowledge. The book distinguishes between two main types of knowledge: immediate knowledge, direct and experiential, like the sensation of hunger; acquired knowledge. Based on mental concepts and representations, logic is primarily concerned with the second type, shaping, organizing, and purifying it from illusion and false assumptions. The 5 universals. To define concepts accurately, logic uses 5 core categories: genus, a broad classification, for example; animal; differentia, a distinguishing feature, for example, rational; species, a full concept, for example, human, rational animal; common accident, a non-essential trait shared by many, for example, laughs; specific accident, a non-essential trait unique to one group, for example, rights for scholars. These 5 universals help us build precise and meaningful definitions. Definition and propositions. A definition is the foundation of understanding. To be effective, it must be inclusive, exclusive, and unambiguous. A proposition connects 2 concepts in the form of a judgment, either affirming or denying a relationship. Examples. Every human is mortal. A universal affirmative proposition. Some students are diligent. A particular affirmative proposition. Proof and syllogism. A syllogism is a logical structure used to derive a conclusion from 2 premises: major premise, minor premise. Example: every human is mortal. Zaid is a human. Therefore, Zaid is mortal. This form of reasoning is called a demonstrative syllogism and is considered the most reliable and certain type of logical argument. Other types of syllogism. The book also introduces additional forms of syllogistic reasoning: dialectical syllogism, based on commonly accepted beliefs, used in discussion and debate; rhetorical syllogism, appeals to emotion, used in speeches and persuasion; sophistical syllogism, appears logical but is flawed or misleading. Example of a fallacy: all scientists don't smile, therefore science causes sadness. This is a false conclusion, based on appearance, not logical reasoning. Poetic syllogism. This final type of reasoning relies on imagery, emotional suggestion, and symbolism. It is commonly used in poetry and literature, not in formal or structured logic. Conclusion. The Balance of Thought is more than a textbook. It is a complete framework for protecting the intellect, developing disciplined reasoning, and distinguishing truth from illusion. It successfully blends classical logic with practical guidance for modern-day thinkers. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more book summaries and insights into logic, thought, and personal growth. Share this video with friends, and let your mind always remain in a state of balance.